Hello everybody and welcome. For today's video we're going to be making some Valentine's Day cans. I have a whole box of these cans and I'm going to grab a whole bunch of them and decorate a bunch with Valentine's Day themed gnomes. I've put together a few different designs, all gnome themed and Valentine's Day themed. I think these are going to turn out really cute. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these cans. For this, I'm going to be sublimating these cans. Funny fact though, is I bought these cans not knowing. They're like not sold as sublimation blanks. I bought 100 of these cans not knowing exactly what I was going to do with them. And I tested one to see if I could sublimate it because it's all white and it worked. I was so shocked and amazed and happy. I've done a few different things with these cans, but I'm going to take a group of them and put some Valentine's Day themes on them. I measured the cans to make sure I knew what dimensions I was working with. And then I went into Cricut Design Space, put a few designs together, made sure I sized them all right so they fit on the can properly, and then went ahead and printed them all out. Make sure when you're printing sublimation stuff you're mirroring it so that it will go on the can right, not backwards. So once I was done printing them all out, what I went ahead and did was taped them all onto the cans, heat pressed them on. I heat pressed them on for like 200 seconds at 40 degrees, and make sure that you use the right pressure. You don't want to bend the cans at all or warp them. You want to make sure that you don't warp them at all so that the lids still fit on. Once I finished heat pressing them all on, and believe me it took a bit of time because there were so many of them, a little over 3 minutes each. So once I was done heat pressing them on, I'm going to take the paper off them, and here is the final result. What do you guys think?